Gumanda na ba ang iyong araw dahil sa isang kabutihang ipinakita sa iyo? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Living out love in our everyday lives can create ripples of positivity, and it starts with us. Jesus commanded us to love one another, and as Christians, we have the power to embody that love in our daily interactions. Whether it's a simple compliment, lending a listening ear to a friend, or volunteering in your community, these small gestures can foster a culture of love, especially during tough times. Building supportive communities among peers is essential. When we love one another, we strengthen our relationships and create a sense of belonging. Let's share our experiences of community support and brainstorm ways to deepen our connections. Remember, love is a powerful witness to our faith. Your actions and attitudes can influence those around you, opening doors for meaningful conversations in a divided world. So, how will you choose to live out love today? Manalangin tayo. O Panginoon, bigyan mo kami ng inspirasyon na maging mabait sa bawat isa sa amin. Nawa ang aming mga pagsisikap na makitungo sa kapwa ng may respeto at malasakit sa bawat isa ay maging sanhi ng kapayapaan sa aming buhay. Amen.